How to withdraw Solana from Phantom Wallet. For that, you need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and over here, in order to withdraw your Solana, you just have to simply tap on the send button on the home page, and then you just have to simply select the network that you want to use in order to send your Solana. Most probably, I would recommend you to select the Solana network because it would be very convenient for you. So after selecting the Solana network, it will ask you to provide the name or the address. So in order to get the address, you just have to simply launch that particular exchange which you want to use in order to withdraw your Solana from your Phantom wallet. From there, you just have to simply copy the address and you need to just paste that in this section. After that, you need to press next button in the bottom. Then on this page, you need to just enter the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw and press next in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to simply review all the information and press the confirm button and initiate your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you just have to simply wait for some time and you will get your Solana from your Phantom wallet to the exchange that you have selected. This is the one way of withdrawing Solana from the Phantom wallet. Now, once you receive your Phantom wallet or your Solana into your exchange, you just have to simply follow the further withdrawal steps from there if you want to withdraw that into your bank account. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.